Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hear your microphone on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC. This contains, of course, the Windows 11. And if you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 right now and for free. Of course, if you want to do that, you can just go and run the installation into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, that will make your PC a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem, especially if you have a good PC. You'll not even notice the difference. And of course, once the download or the installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find yourself with a Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or apps for you, so don't worry about this side. And of course, you will even have a recovery point after the upgrade into Windows 11 if you wish to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. But I will not think you will have any problems. You will like Windows 11 as well, especially when you get used to it. Of course, as we said, we would like to hear your microphone on the Windows 11. So how can you do that? So the first thing that you would like to do is just go into your settings, and of course you can open your settings with the shortcuts Windows I, or you can open it with your regular way. Do whatever you want. From here, make sure to select the system on the left panel here and go to sounds now. And here, make sure to go and into this advanced option and click at this more sound settings. That should open this sound option for you. And here, make sure to go into your recording, and here make sure to navigate into your microphone. And this is the microphone that I'm using, so simply click on it and click at properties, or right click on it then go into properties. Here you would like to go into this listen option. Make sure to click or check this option of listen to this device and apply this option. Once you apply this option, you will hear your microphone through your headsets or speakers, whatever you're using. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.